What's coming tomorrow? We dodge the bullet for both of those events, I think, from the stormy weather, but it's going to get a little rough around here during the day tomorrow, especially. Showers start to break out overnight tonight, drifting up from south to north across the area. Tomorrow morning, a steadier light rain, but later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, bands of heavy rain start to push on through. We could see gusts of wind of 40 miles per hour, if not higher, right up against the coast. Coastal flooding for the high tide cycles because of that persistent onshore flow. And it's going to remain windy for Halloween, but at least it will be a drier day and evening. But we still could see gusts close to 40 miles an hour on Halloween as well. Meantime, temps generally low to mid 50s. No big changes anywhere you go, north, south, east, or west with that. A lot of clouds today. Some breaks here and there. Some lucky folks got to see a little more sun than others. A little bit of light rain now draped right along the Jersey coastline here, southern end of Ocean County and on further south. That's from that persistent flow off the water. Our storm is sitting right back in here, and it will start to make a move in our direction. Already beginning to show signs of that. The leading edge of the heavier bands of rain into West Virginia, western sections of Virginia, western Pennsylvania. All of this moisture will start to slide from south to north. So you can see on Futurecast as we go through the evening, not much happening early. Around midnight, some light rain starts to break on out. And then as we go through the early morning commute, this is 6:37, still mainly a light rain, maybe to the north and east, not raining at all. But you start to see the steadier stuff sitting to the west. That starts to fill on in. So by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, starting to see pockets of moderate rain, your temps upper 50s to around 60, and the wind ramping up out of the east and southeast. The rain really picks up in intensity, though, I think between 4 and 6 p.m., especially pushing across the city, pushing across Long Island, Hudson Valley into Connecticut. And in these heavier downpours, you're likely going to see some pockets of local street and highway flooding. So if you live at a home or on a street that has one of those sewers and catch basins in front and there's a lot of leaves covering, make sure to get the leaves out of the way so this water can drain off. Overnight, it dries out. So for Halloween, we're back to, I think, kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine, some cool temperatures, but strong gusty winds. Certainly going to have those tomorrow. Notice in the morning starting out gusts 30, 35, by afternoon 40, maybe even a little bit higher right on into the evening commute. In addition, we have that coastal flood advisory as southern sections of Queens, Nassau County, Suffolk County. The high tide cycles could be 1 to 2 feet above normal. Same thing in Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, as well as Westchester, Fairfield County. Could be a little beach erosion out there as well as the pounding surf. 49 your low tonight with showers developing, like I said, from south to north. And the 7-day forecast, we get a break. It does dry out for Halloween, but it's windy. The wind eases on Saturday. We gain an hour's sleep, fall back 1 hour. And Sunday, marathon looking pretty good. I'll ask G what was the perfect weather for you? He's gone. Whatever the perfect weather was. He was just here. He was supposed to answer that. And for Election Day, we're looking at sun and clouds. A nice one, though, with temperatures near 60 degrees.